What's up, YouTube? It's DJ coming with another video, Conduit Money. I got a new package I want to unbox with you guys. I haven't opened it yet. I got it from Amazon. It's for the Regal. Yes, I did pull the Regal out today, but yeah, it's for the Regal, so we can get power steering and alternator fabbed up, or actually mounted up to the engine. And I want to go ahead and open it up. The package is a bracket from ICT Billet. I've never used any of their products before. Just so happened to be searching for like an adapter plate or a relocation bracket for my power steering, because the way it was going to bolt up in the car wasn't going to work. It was hitting the gearbox. So let me show you guys what I picked up. So brand new, never opened, from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description, so if you guys want it, you can get it too. Let me see here, make this easy. Oops. You know everything's harder on camera, so every time I shoot, it would be hard on camera. Alright. Alright, we'll bubble wrap, you know, some of that. So, it's really not a whole bunch to see, except for, it did come with the hardware, the pulley, the idler pulley, and then, you know, the bolts that go in the block. I'm not too sure what this is going to be for. I'm sure it has something to do with what I'm trying to accomplish, obviously. But I really like the packaging. It's all neat and kind of separated, easy to inventory. So far, so good. I'll probably get a video up in a couple days, or probably a week or so. I've been working a lot of this installed on the vehicle, okay? Let me show you guys why I had to install it, or why I had to order it. Alternator is supposed to sit right here in this area, and the power steering pump is supposed to sit like down here. All right, so this is how it's supposed to look. So down here, you can see that this is supposed to, this whole setup is supposed to go down here. Well, this pulley is going to hit this pulley is going to hit this gearbox. The power steering pump right here would hit this. So the way I figured I could still keep power steering is if I relocate it. So that's the reason why we ordered the adapter or the bracket relocation. It's going to move the alternator out to like right over here somewhere, and the power steering is going to sit up a little bit higher. So hopefully that works out for me. As you can see, we're getting closer. I also got a throttle body. I should have a video up about that in a couple days as well. But yeah, just a quick unboxing. As you can see, I got the intake kind of just set up on there, and we're just getting closer, guys, getting closer. You see the Delta in the background, so I've been kind of splitting my attention between that too. So, but yeah, that's all today. I got another fire to put out with this Yukon, so I will catch up with you guys later. Peace.